All right. Well, I want to welcome each and every one of you guys to this call. This is Coffee Chats with Megan Lynch. I do this call every Monday and Friday at 12:15 p.m. Eastern, just so I can keep everybody up to date. Considering that we launched into this opportunity in January, officially launched in March, but July is our official launch because a lot of great things are happening in the month of July. So I want to make sure that I keep everybody up to date. So I'm going to go ahead and just dive right in. Today is Friday, July the 12th. And Reagan, I'll have you jump in just a second because you will be able to unmute. So we don't really have a lot of things to talk about from Monday, from the Coffee Chats on Monday. But I want you guys to understand that in the month of June, we had a vacation giveaway. If you signed up 3 or more people, you got a free vacation. If you signed up, if you actually signed up, I think 12 people or more, then you were able to get multiple vacations. So Reagan, can you hear me okay? You can go ahead and unmute. All right, so she may not be able to unmute. So here are some things about the vacation giveaways. We discovered that if you are international, like you're from another country, or I know Trinidad and the Bahamas, there are some stipulations to these vacation vouchers. So we, first of all, want to apologize for that, but it's also a really, really great thing because we're going to be able to give you some incentives. So what we're going to do is if you won one vacation, we're actually going to give you an international vacation. Bali is really the only one you can take. Okay, here's the great thing about Bali. The taxes and fees are only $85 for you to stay for 5 nights, 4 days, 2 adults, 2 children. It's absolutely beautiful. Now, obviously, the flight is going to be a little bit more expensive, and you have 18 months to take the trip. Okay, you have 30 days though to pay the taxes and fees. So here's what we're going to do. Because that trip, you know, the flights are a little bit more expensive for that trip, we're also going to give you guys an extra vacation, and you can give these away as incentives. If you have people in the States, you want to bring on business partners. And I hear this a lot from people when they say, well, I don't know anybody in the States. Well, I didn't know anyone in Trinidad either, or in the Bahamas, or Nigeria, or South Africa, or Amsterdam. But we're in this social media world, guys, where you can market to people all over the world. You just have to give incentives. So this may be an opportunity for some of you who did win a vacation. We're going to give you that Bali trip, but we're going to give you another vacation and give it away to someone in the States. Say, hey, listen, somebody who gets on the call with me at 8 o'clock tonight and you decide to partner with me in business, I'm going to give you a free vacation to Florida or Vegas or whatever, and you may get some business partners out of that. Now, here's the great thing is that you could pay the taxes and fees and you have 30 days to claim your voucher. Okay. Now, let's say that the 30 days runs out. You can message Reagan for an extension on the time and she'll reprint you another voucher. Just keep in mind, though, that she's running her business too. So if she doesn't get back to you immediately, just be patient on that. But let's say that you don't pay your taxes and fees right away. She'll just print you another voucher and you can, and I hope I'm saying this right. I'm sure she'll jump in and you can, get a new voucher and then be able to pay the taxes and fees. So we apologize for the stipulations on those trips. So we want to make sure that we uphold our end of the bargain, and you can start planning for that Bali trip. Maybe you take it in the next 18 months and you make some money in this company so that you can afford to fly out there. But pay that $85, guys. And when you pay the $85, 5 nights, 4 days, that's pretty awesome. Number 2, guys, I want you to understand that credit cards are coming. I had a conversation with the owner yesterday, and he said 1 to 2 weeks at the latest, by the end of the month, we'll be fully integrated with credit cards. You can purchase both products with the credit card, which is phenomenal. You can get your crypto packs. You can get your Freedom Ultimate package with that credit card. It will be on the front end of the website and also in the back end, in your back office, so you can purchase your product. So that is going to be absolutely Amazing. Okay. Number 3, guys, I want you to understand that we are on a 90-day grind. And in order to make $20,000 a week, it is so doable. But just like any goal, you have to be writing your goal down. Our 90-day grind, I started over with you guys, started last week, July 1st. I want you to understand that it's already the 12th of the month. You have to commit yourself to following the very, very simple system. You have to commit yourself to helping other people. Every new person in your organization, you should commit yourself to helping them get their first check. That's it. Every new person who falls in your downline, I don't care what's going on, your focus in the first 24 to 72 hours of them coming over is to help them get their first check. $44. Help them sign up 2 people. They make $40 fast start and they make $4 in the binary. And then write it down on the chart. I'm getting ready to show you guys a little later when I do a training on my big giant blown up 20K a week 90-day grind chart, because I want to look at it. And I want to tell you guys that, like, in my first week, I should have made $4. In my second week, I should have made $8 in the binary. Now, obviously, I've been over here longer than you guys, so mine's going to look a little different. But you have to write it down and commit yourself to first check success for every new person. Every person can sign up 2 people. Can they sign up 30? Maybe not. Can they sign up 2 and get their first check? Yes. Can they commit to their 2 and helping them get their first check? Absolutely. But you have to stay in the weeks. Number 4, guys, we have the new campaign, Becoming the 1% with crypto. And you want to become part of the 1% club. Shout out to a lot of my partners like Ray and Derek Wright. My mother became part of the 1% club. And all you have to do to join the 1% club is purchase crypto packs. Now, if you're purchasing $20 packs and $50 packs, just understand that that's not going to move your money very much. And honestly, you might as well save your money. Activate your accounts with $20 or $50 if you want to, but don't continue buying $20 and $50 contracts. Make some money on this comp plan. Make some money with our traders and make sure that you can get at least a $300 or a $500 pack and be on your way to earning 6 figures. I asked my mom yesterday, how does it feel to know that you put in $1,500 and in the next 2 to 4 years, you're going to be making $1 million or $30,000 a month? Ladies and gentlemen, that takes the stress off. The only way that we're not getting paid on these crypto contracts is if Bitcoin goes to 0. And despite what Trump says, Bitcoin's not going anywhere. Cryptocurrency isn't going anywhere. So I want you guys to understand that you have the golden goose, not the egg. You don't have the golden egg. You have the whole freaking goose. Okay. Track your earnings with the crypto spreadsheets. And here's one thing that my sister and Ray and I figured out today. Listen, we bought crypto contracts last night, $500 contracts. Do you know that it paid out the whole $10.50 today, or the $13? It paid it out today, and we did it last night at 11 o'clock last night. Do you know how powerful that is? That someone can purchase, for example, my mom purchased 3 $500 crypto contracts, and in her e-wallet today was $31 and like 50 cents or something. It pays out immediately, and we just did it last night. So I want you guys to get on the Twins calendar. We're going to be going on tour physically, but also if we can't get to you physically, you need to set up a Becoming the 1% Zoom event with maybe 2, 3, 5, 10, 20 of your partners. Put them in a room together. Put us on the big screen on a Zoom and allow us to show people how to become part of the 1%. Okay. This is your crypto retirement plan, and we're super excited about it. So guys, that is the updates for today. We're excited about everything that we have to offer over here. We have 2 major products. We have the Forex EA that'll be coming out toward the end of the month, credit cards inside the company, credit cards to get our money out of the company. So we are on our way. It's just about you guys sticking to the plan, sticking to the script, committing to yourself, and committing to those that you bring over into MMT and Freedom Mindset business community. So again, guys, I want to say thank you so much. And I will definitely upload this video to my YouTube page, which is Megan Lynch.